Hey there, YouTube. I am not happy. In the 200 milestone video with my human OC, someone commented saying, I did not make that art piece. I did. I use a pic art website. I gave the person, I actually did make it. I did a few filters on it. Well, then afterwards, like a few months later, I updated it in an app called Ibis Paint X, if you guys know what that is. Yeah, and a commenter, I don't even know if this YouTuber is subscribe to my channel here. If he is, if he's watching this, just please don't make baseless claims. I made the art and you say I didn't. That just fucked up, yo. Has anyone, if anyone is watching this, have you ever seen that art piece anywhere else? And the one that made baseless claims, answer me in this video in the comments below. Have you seen it anywhere else besides on this channel? I don't hear nothing. Well, maybe I will see something in the comments. Well, I'll see y'all later. Bye!